Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing how you can earn using Chatgpt. With the rise of artificial intelligence, the world of technology has taken a leap forward. One such AI technology is Chatgpt, developed by OpenAI. Chatgpt is a state-of-the-art language model that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. And the best part is, you can use Chatgpt to earn money. So, how can you earn using Chatgpt? Here are some ways. Content creation. You can use Chatgpt to generate high-quality content for your blog or social media platform. With its advanced language generation capabilities, Chatgpt can help you create engaging content that will attract more followers and increase your earnings. Customer support. Chatgpt can be used as a customer support chatbot for your business. With its ability to understand and respond to customer queries, Chatgpt can handle customer support inquiries and resolve issues, freeing up time for you to focus on other tasks. Research and analysis. You can use Chatgpt to generate reports and insights based on data and research. With its ability to process large amounts of information, Chatgpt can help you save time and increase your productivity. Chatbot development. As a language model, Chatgpt can be used to develop chatbots for various industries such as finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. You can leverage Chatgpt's capabilities to build chatbots that can interact with customers, provide product recommendations, and even handle transactions. With its advanced language processing capabilities, Chatgpt can provide a more seamless and human-like chatbot experience, helping businesses to improve customer engagement and increase sales. Data analysis and insights generation. Chatgpt can be used to analyze large amounts of data and generate insights based on that data. For example, in the financial sector, Chatgpt can be used to analyze stock market data, identify patterns and trends, and generate predictions about future market movements. This can help businesses make informed decisions and improve their financial performance. Additionally, Chatgpt can be used to generate reports and insights for various industries such as marketing, where it can analyze customer data and generate recommendations for effective marketing strategies. So, these are just a few ways in which you can use Chatgpt to earn money. With its advanced language generation and processing capabilities, Chatgpt is a powerful tool that can help you increase your earnings and improve your productivity. Thank you for watching this video.